parrot means तोता. Peacock means मोर. Hen means मुर्गी. Eagle means गरुड़. Crow means कौवा. Cock means मुर्गा. Sparrow means गौरैया. Cuckoo means कोयल. Swan means हंस. Pigeon means कबूतर.